thoughts on his performance tonight?
I think must have kudos to him. He has promised the team. I said he's going to deliver us for us big time this season. But definitely we have to pull him. A little slight injury there, we have to pull him. But definitely the season go along. We want to keep him fresh and healthy for the rest of the season.
Of course, he wasn't the only great player out there. Everybody seemed to have a magical game. We saw him swearing, coming out and doing his stuff out there. But how you assess the team going forward? Is this the level of performance you expect from them going forward?
Now, if you look at the pre-season and look at the training session, this is how them perform in the training session and during the pre-season. So I was very, very confident coming to this game. If I would play, we play a practice game against Arnett early. And we saw them and say yes, they have 2 to 3 players to bring in against us. But definitely when I look at our team, I said, then if we can match up with them with our second 11 for a long period in the game, I said we have a very good chance. The first game here today.
Coach, Racing was the surprise packages last year. You came 8th or 7th. Missed out on the playoffs, but what are your expectations for this club this season?
Well, we just have to take it game by game. It's a long season. We have 39 games, so it's a long season. What you don't want to do, we don't want to play the players them for a long period of time. I think Ellis played 39 games last season, so this season I want to carefully with it a whole lot.
Coach, a lot of people may look at you and I believe that you're underrated in terms of how your team play. Today is a statement result, sending a message to other teams in the league that Racing is here to win the competition. Beating Arnett Garden like this sends a shocking message to people all over the world. What's your take on the team performance and how you grade your team today?
I would say 8 out of 10 this evening. Although we score 5 goals, we should have scored a whole lot more, but 8 out of 10. But I think we played well. I said we start to slack off in the second half and bring back Arnett in the game, make them get a 1 goal there. But there are youngsters, there are a lot of youngsters there, so we have to continue to work with them and continue to keep them in the game.
Your team play through all the different areas using the principles of attack. It was just beautiful to watch them using the wide areas, using the half spaces, using the golden areas, and creating a lot of opportunity. Tell us what you have done to get these players to play like this, synchronize.
I think the system what we play today, create a whole lot of problem out there. We rotate the system right through. For the last month, I think we play about 4 different systems. I said once we can control the middle of the field, we showed that a lot last season. So this evening they are going 4 in the middle of the field, 4 ball anglers. So that makes a major difference here today.
You could see that you practice a lot of combination play in the middle of the park, supporting with the wide areas. The number 8, the number 6 playing a vital role. You saw Bashi, a lot of defensive work as well in the first part of the game. And Myri as well, very silky in the midfield. Showing a lot of combination in defense and in attack. Talk us through that.
Well, this is how we wanted to play. I asked Myri to play just behind Ellis and protect the back 2 for play on the back 3 and 3 at the back with 2 holes in midfield and ask one hole in midfield to step back a whole lot and ask Myri to protect that back 2 and ask to protect Bashi. Let Bashi stay very high in the game, so they have to put 2 and 3 players to market.
Coach, what else the fans can expect from Racing?
We just have to come out and support, and we're here to play. We are here to play. We are here to compete, not to just participate. We're here to compete and play well.
Thanks much, Coach. Continue putting the good work. Looking forward to see you at the next game.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
For the next game.